What is up? It is Jordan from My 9 to 5 helping you say goodbye to your 9 to 5. I know it's been a long time since I made a video. It feels good to be back, but guys, I have been working so hard. Like literally, I've been working hours like every single day because it's quarter 4 and I'm trying to ramp it up here. I'm trying to get as much as I can out of quarter 4. So that's really all I've been focused on. Haven't even really been focused on trying to sell courses or anything like that because I haven't even made any videos or anything, but still helping the students that I have or trying to get to as many as I can while still just grinding away. Like I said, I have 3 channels where I repost videos, and I'm about to show you guys what I pulled off for October, which is the first month of quarter 4, and then obviously I got paid on November 21st, and so I'm going to show you guys that, and then give you a little update on my Shopify stores, how they're doing, and how the course sales are going, all of those things, and all of those things are, linked in the description for courses. They're pretty cheap right now, so if you want to get in and learn what I'm doing, I teach you step by step how to do all of it. All of them are very cheap right now, so I would definitely take a look at that. But I hope you guys are taking advantage of quarter 4 the way I am. But man, I've been working like crazy. Haven't even gotten a haircut. Haven't had time. Haven't cared about a haircut. It can get as long as it wants. Why? Because I'm not trying to impress anybody. I don't have a job. I don't have a boss. I don't have anyone I need to impress. So I can grow my hair out if I want. If I don't have time to go get a haircut because I'm too busy making thousands of dollars, well, so be it. But on my way to a million, my first million, of course, it doesn't make me a millionaire because almost half of that's going to be taxes. So I'll be more like a 550,000 or something like that, which is still really good. But I'm not a millionaire. A millionaire, if you have a million after taxes. Actually, I think if you have like 2 million after taxes, then you're a millionaire. Just because I've made a million, which I haven't yet. I'm not there yet. But when I get there, I'm not a millionaire. I'm like a 550,000 because most of that's going to be taxes. So, not that rich yet, but working towards it. So, let me show you guys what was able to be accomplished here, what I got paid on November here. So I'm going to give you guys a look at this. We're in my US bank account, and as you can see right here, yeah. Right there, $58,211.18. Once again, that's my best month. And that's just going to continue to grow because every single month, my subscribers for all 3 channels are going up. My views for all 3 channels are going up. So, at all times, those 3 things are continuing to grow. And as those continue to grow, it's just, I just make more money. Like, it's that simple. And then when you combine that with the fact that it's quarter 4, things are continuing to move. And for those of you who keep saying things about, the changes in the policy and all that, don't worry about that. Seriously, because if you follow what I teach, it's not going to be a problem. It hasn't been a problem for me at all. I haven't had any differences in posting videos than I did before. Haven't had any more trouble posting videos, haven't any more trouble making money. So, guys, it's totally doable here. And then on that note, I'm going to tell you guys for November, which is not even quite over yet. So right now I have 2 stores that I'm doing successfully on Shopify, and I ran a ton of Black Friday sales, and dude, it went nuts. So I was pretty aggressive with the Facebook ads, and I did some advertisements for Black Friday. And I'm starting to kind of gear my stuff towards Christmas now. And it has just picked up like crazy. So I put a lot more work into Shopify this month than I normally do. I would say I probably put, just as much work as I always do into YouTube, but just because of that organic growth, plus quarter 4 where companies are paying more money for advertisements on your channel, had allowed me to grow the highest I've ever made in 1 month on YouTube. But I did put a lot more work into Shopify this month trying to get that going. And so I was able to get $38,214.92. Now remember, it's only the 28th, so I still have half of today and then the 29th and 30th. So hoping to pass 40,000 there on my 2 Shopify stores. All that's not profit, so probably about half of that is profit. So it's gonna be about 20,000 profit. All right, and then the course sales I haven't even made a video in 2 weeks, but still $27,318 and I'm not even running ads to it right now or anything like that. That's just straight up from, you know, ranking older videos. So that's what's so cool about selling courses, and I do have a really cheap course right now in the description teaching, you know, what I do with that. But the fact that I didn't make a video for 2 weeks and I still made $27,000 without running any ads at all, just because of the fact that I have ranked so many videos on YouTube that people continue to find me and continue to purchase courses even when I'm not even around on YouTube, is freaking mind-blowing, guys. So you guys should get in on that action if you can, because that's some pretty cool stuff right there. And that just shows that, you know, through this channel I've been able to rank enough videos on the front page where even when I don't make a video for 2 weeks, people are still finding my channel, which I think is really, really cool. So obviously I'm doing a pretty good job with ranking these videos, which is great, and thumbnails and all those sort of things, because obviously 2 weeks, $27,000 in sales, and I haven't even made a video. So that's pretty cool. And so grand total so far, that's $123,744.77. So that's where I'm at right now. Obviously, first of all, that's last month's YouTube. So this month, I'm expecting to get at least the same as this, if not hit 60,000. I've been wanting to hit 60,000 for a long time on YouTube. So hopefully this is a month I'm able to do that. And then obviously I still have 2 days left on Shopify, so I should at least hit $125,000 for the month. Counting yeah, so that's just freaking really cool. I believe that's my biggest month. I'm pretty sure that's my biggest month I've ever had. And so, you know, that's just a culmination of me learning all of these new things and then putting them into action in Q4. So I've spent all year, I quit my job last December, and I've spent all year learning how to push the most out of YouTube, how to push the most out of my courses, how to push the most out of Shopify. And so that, you know, by the time Q4 came for this year, I knew I was going to kill it, and that's exactly what I've done so far. You know, so that's just a culmination of me learning a lot of things all year long, putting them all into practice, my Facebook ad strategies, Instagram ad strategies, ranking my YouTube videos for Buy 9 to 5, which is past 10,000 subs since the last time I made a video, which is awesome. So thank you guys for the support. I appreciate that, as we continue to grow this channel as well, which I do not plan to ever put ads on, if you're wondering. And then, you know, so it's just a culmination of me learning things all year long and putting it into practice in Q4 where there is the most money to be made. You did miss out on Black Friday, but you still have Christmas coming up. People are buying stuff like crazy, so if you want to jump into Shopify, that course is very cheap right now as well. And, you know, I teach you everything I know about how to sell, including Facebook ads, Instagram ads, strategies, how to build a store, all of those types of things. So jump in, learn these things, these wonderful skills that you guys need to have to be successful. You know, don't let Q4 pass you by, guys. Okay, you can make a year's salary. Whatever you make right now a year, I guarantee you, you can make that in December alone. If you apply these things, whether it's course selling, whether it's Shopify stores, or whether it's downloading and reposting videos, you can easily make whatever you made this year, you can double it in December in Q4. So that's why you haven't seen me at all. That's why I haven't gotten a haircut, because I have been freaking focused on this stuff, and it's paying off $125,000 in a month. And December hopefully is even bigger with Christmas rolling up. So very excited about that. And then a couple other things I wanted to show you guys. So in case you guys have any doubts, so what's really cool, James, so he made a channel, so we'll go down here. So he did an update here where he literally, look at this, 114,000 views and 482 subs, and that was September 1st, and he posted this on the 18th. Okay, so that means he literally, he got 482 subs and 114,000 views in 17 days, okay? And then someone down here asked, you know, someone said, why no ads? But that's because obviously, as you can see here, you need 1,000 subs, so that's why. Because he didn't buy this channel, he just built it on his own. And then as you can see here, how are you getting views to your video? And he says, I haven't posted a video link anywhere at all. I just did exactly what Jordan Mackey said to do in the training, and they just keep flocking in. I just passed up my 4,000 watch hours too. I'm at 7,124 watch hours. Here's another update. So as you can see here, 150,000 views, 687 subs. And that's just in 17 days. And that's just doing what I teach, guys, like he said. You know, nothing new, just doing what I teach, and that's it. And he's posting 7 videos a day. So like I said, that's what you got to do. So that's really, really cool. This guy asked, did you get monetized though? He might still be in review. I'm not really sure what's up with that, but pretty awesome stuff there. See that? I mean, that's what you got to do. You know, I know what I'm talking about. I've done this stuff for like 3 years. And then, so somebody asked, does anyone know whether you should buy Jordan's advanced course? Should you complete the first course and then the advanced? And then, like I always say, guys, I suggest that you guys start with the first course and then do the advanced course. But if you can't buy both, which both of them are on a really good deal right now, but if you can't, it depends. If you're pretty knowledgeable about the blueprint I'm talking about, and all the intricacies of that, and if you're really comfortable with YouTube, you might be able to just use the advanced masterclass. You know, I recommend both, and then if you don't know much about computers or YouTube or what I'm talking about at all, definitely start with the first course. So that's kind of what I say with that. So Lolo says, I think all the info is good to have. You don't want to miss vital info. Lance said, I bought the advanced course and have grown in ad revenue of $298 to about $457, growing at about $10 per day in a month by using his principles and YouTube ads. It's been worth it for me, and I can only see it increasing in the future. The strategy is to spend less in ads than you make in ad revenue, but there's still build up. And I don't really teach much about doing ads as far as this go, but you don't really spend anything. So, you know, as far as what I do, I don't spend any money at all making money on YouTube. But so then he's 31% of the way through the first course. So Roger, but yeah, and then just keep up the good work. I think that's all there is that's interesting. Sounds like it's worth it, but yeah. But so yeah, there's another one right there. Like, I'm seeing tons of success stories all the time looking through these Facebook posts, which I don't get a chance to look through as often as I used to. But you know, I try to get in there and help people out and things like that. And then I'm very active on email too. So every email I get that's a question, I make sure to answer. So if you guys have any questions, I'll be guiding you through it all the way through. But guys, don't miss Q4. Even he's growing at $10 a day at 457 right now, and there will be a time where he's gonna escalate like really fast. And all of a sudden, he's gonna be making $1,000, $2,000 really, really fast. Like, once you hit like $457, like, that's gonna start flying. Like, seriously, it's nuts. It's exponential. You know, there's exponential growth with it. So if you start making money, you're just gonna start. It's just going to escalate really fast. Like, it's going to start doubling every day. Like, you just have to wait until you understand what I'm talking about. But you'll be like, whoa, I can't believe I just made $100 in a day. And then the next day you're like, whoa, $300 in a day. Like, literally, that's how my channels have always grown. Like, and then the next day I'm like, $500 a day. Whoa. And then the next day it's like $1,000. And it's nuts how fast it grows. But it's just because, you know, YouTube is starting to advertise your stuff on the front page. And once your channel starts growing, it's just an exponential growth, and anybody will tell you that who does YouTube. But this was just kind of an update video. Just wanted to say what's up because it's been a long time. Let you know where I've been, what I've been doing, and the success I've had. $125,000 in a month, and you can't complain about that. So I'm going to keep killing it in December, guys. So I don't know how many videos I'm going to be making, but I'm going to be trying to keep you guys updated as we go along. All my courses are on a good sale right now. Links are in the description if you want to learn how I can get a monetized channel instantly. If you want to get into this Facebook group, which, by the way, has over 1,000 members, and one of the reasons I built it so people can sub to each other, so you might be able to get 1,000 subs just by posting your link in my private Facebook group, guys. So that's a really good way to get monetized really quickly. I have so many ways to get monetized quickly, guys. I have the Facebook group where you get free subs, you get free watch time. There's 1,000 students in there, over 1,000 now. and you know, you can get monetized doing that. I have a method where you can get monetized with one video in like a couple weeks for 20 bucks. I have another method where you can literally get monetized instantly and start making money today posting videos. I have so many ways in the courses for how you can get monetized really quickly and make a lot of money. So hopefully you guys are taking advantage. I don't want to see you let Q4 go by, or else you're going to have to wait till 2019. Obviously you can make money all year long, but the best time is the end of the year. And guess what? The beginning of the year starts out a little slow usually, because, you know, a lot of people don't have a lot of money at that time. Companies are doing their budgets and they're not really doing a lot of ads and stuff like that. So beginning of the year is always a lot harder to make money. So make it right now while you can. That's it. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.